I'm now with Peter Ball, President and CEO of Redstar Gold Corp. So Peter, talk to us about the company and what your past experiences bring to it.
So I've joined Redstar in January of this year. My past experience, I went to engineering school, graduated in 1989, worked as an engineer for about 10 or 11 years, then became a broker at RBC Dominion Securities, and then I was an analyst actually at Bell Canada when the market went sour in the gold market, and then been working more in the senior executive roles with mining companies. I work with Eldorado, Hudson Bay Mining and Smelting, Echo Bay Mines, recently Columbus Gold, and I got headhunted to join this company January 25th of 2016.
Right. Now, talk to us more about the major project that Redstar has now.
Yeah, so the major project is called the Unga Gold Project. It's in Alaska. It really attracted me. Number one, it's probably one of the highest grade gold projects in the Americas. And also we have 60% of the company is controlled by the top 7 gold institutions in the world, including Eric Sprott or US Global, Gabelli Gold or Gold 2000 out of Switzerland. Yeah, so I mean it's a beautiful asset, great location. What I want to make sure, when you're thinking about Alaska, normally you're thinking it's cold and it's hard access. So we have a paved 1-mile airstrip at site. We have a deep sea port at sites. It never really gets cold. We're at the 57-degree latitude. So we're at the same latitude as where the Golden Triangle in British Columbia or the Larange Gold Belt in Saskatchewan is. So it's right on the coast and easy access.
Right. So give us some upcoming things for 2-3 months down the road, going into 2017 for your company.
Okay, so recently, over the last month, we brought in Eric Sprott. He came into the deal and bought just over 10% of the company at 10 cents without a warrant. It's one of the first deals I think he's done without a warrant. We raised the money. We have $7.5 in the bank, $1 million in the bank. We just completed a drill program about 3 weeks ago. We're going to model it, announce the assays in early January. And if they're anything like the assays we saw in 2015, they should be probably pretty good.
Now, besides those good things, why should an investor invest in Redstar Gold?
Number one, with the top 7 funds who control 58% of the stock, each of these funds sent their technical representatives to the project. They vetted the asset off. Also, we had recently in June of this year, we had Dr. Jeff Hedenquist visit the site. He's known as the world leading expert on these epithermal systems. He came up, gave it the thumbs up. We're cashed up. We're about to announce assays here in the next 3 weeks. We're good for a big giant drill program next year, so it'll probably be the biggest year for Redstar.
Good. Awesome.
Absolutely, yeah.
So at Mines and Money in London, what are some things that came up from investors, other companies here? What's it been like?
It's been good. I mean, a lot of people for some reason don't know Redstar. I've had some great meetings with some institutions and funds, and they're actually thanking me for letting them know the story and getting in front of them. It's been well received. We're trading 1.5 million shares yesterday. We're nearly at another 52-week high today. Big volume. It's good. It's a busy conference. It's good to be here.
All right. Good story. Thank you so much for the time.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
At Mines and Money, I'm Rachel Lee for SmallCapPower.